The rhyming years. Well, said the old year, I am going to make up a poem about myself. I feel quite poetical. And, said the new year, I will too. For the new year didn't want to have the old year think that he was unable to do anything like that, even though he was young. But he felt very much pleased when the old year said, Though I have lived 12 whole months, I have not become a poet. I think age should be given the right to speak first, said the new year. The old year shook his white hair and smiled so that the wrinkles in his face all ran in together. This is what he said. Yes, it is true I was feeling old. Yes, it is true I was also cold. Yes, it is true I heard them cheer, welcoming in the glad new year. Then New Year recited this verse. Of course, you see I was out for fun. My life has only just begun. They said, he is young and full of vim. No one can help but welcome him. You mustn't think I am conceited, he added. I say a lot to make my rhyme come out right. Of course, said the old year, for I do too. Well, I will give my second verse. Don't believe it all, though. Then the old year took an old harp he had, and he began to play and sing. And this was what he sang. And poor old year, he almost wept as he packed up his things and left. But as he turned to say goodbye, something in him made him cry. Though my work is mostly done, I have too had lots of fun. And ere I go upon my way, this I certainly would say. Happy New Year, big and small. Happy New Year, short and tall. Happy New Year, everyone! May you all have lots of fun.